Welcome to the shop. Today we're going to build an outdoor projector stand, so I don't have to use TV trays anymore. So I'm going to be making this as bare bones as possible. It's going to be very scrap friendly. I have a couple pieces of plywood here, a long sheet of OSB that was from some other project, as well as an old fence post. So yeah, let's get started. Well, I have a general idea of what I'd like to do. I'm going to use this, cut it into several pieces, and use it to wrap around the 4x4. This will allow me to move it up and down. Probably doesn't make much sense right now, but you'll see. All right, so let's do some measurements. We've got 9 inches there. It looks like this is about 1 inch here. Okay, so we're gonna need about 11.5 inches for each of the sides here. We're going to take the 4 pieces that we just cut and make a little box like this. We're just going to go ahead and glue and screw that up, and then we'll move on. We're going to pre-drill some holes. And then we're going to use every DIYer's best friend, drywall screws. Now that we have this fitting snugly, what we're going to do is build a small shelf off of this, and that's going to be to hold the projector. The projector I have is just one that I got off of Amazon. Works pretty good. And I love how small it is. So what I think I'm going to do is just use this smaller piece of plywood that I have. It's actually about right for size. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it mounted. To stick with the theme of using scrap, we're actually going to use some scrap that I had from this particular project to make the shelf mounts. So we'll go over to the miter saw and get these cut up with the right angle, and then we'll be ready. So I have the miter saw set up at a 45-degree angle. Going to go ahead and get these cut. Just need to take a little bit off of it. Okay, there's one side in. I've taken the back off so that it'll be a little easier to get this on. And then we have the arms to give it just a little bit more support. All right, so have that nice and attached. Fancy. So what we'll do next is just reattach the back. Do a quick test fit. And ta-da! Got that. That'll be able to sit on there really nice, and we'll actually be able to adjust it. And then as for the laptop portion of it, honestly, I'm just going to, after thinking about it, mount the shelf right on top. And there we go, that simple. Well, and a pinch will work, and I just wanted to go ahead and bust it out because I'm doing a movie night tonight.